What's the meaning of cittern? Cittern. Cittern.
Cittern. Cittern. A cittern is a musical instrument that originated in the Renaissance period. It is similar to a guitar and has a flat, pear-shaped body with a long neck and wire strings. The cittern was popular throughout Europe and was used in both folk and court music. It was often played by troubadours and minstrels, and was particularly popular in England during the Elizabethan era. Today, the cittern is still played in traditional and early music ensembles, and has been revived in some contemporary folk music genres.